Hi, my name's Jeremy Humphries. I'm one of the Sony ICE, or Independent Certified Experts, and we're here today in Manchester at KitPlus. And we've got three of our most popular cameras here today. We've got the FX9, and behind me is the FX6. We've also got the Z280. The FX9 and the FX6 are so popular because they're full-frame censored cameras. So they've got that enormous ability to give you a shallow depth of field. They're very good in low light, and also the whole range of other accessories that come with it that we've so rarely had on cameras up to now, like a variable ND, like the option to do film in log, and also the lenses. At this exhibition in Manchester, we've had the opportunity to show off the G Master lens, which is a superb optic in terms of a zoom lens or a prime lens, high speed, and when coupled with the full-frame sensor on the FX9 or the FX6, gives you superb imagery. And the only other camera we've got here as well, just behind me, is the Z280. That's 3 half-inch sensors, so a little bit smaller than the full-frame sensor, but still a very, very versatile camera in terms of what it's offering. It's able to give you a fixed lens, so you don't need to keep changing lenses. You've got the full zoom focal length range there. It also shoots in log, and is also very small and compatible. And there is actually, a fourth camera I've just forgotten. We also have the mirrorless, the Sony mirrorless FX3 camera, a fantastically versatile camera, not least for being able to film in very, very low light levels. So yeah, great to be here at KitPlus here in Manchester. Lots of kit on display and on show, and I think it just shows the versatility that Sony's offering, especially in the camera range now.